So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about IonQ stock. Now what are the nearest targets we can expect from this stock? Let's discuss that. Today if we see, the stock is down by 2.8% and the stock is currently trading at $22.84. So now if you see here, the stock opened around this level and shortly after that you saw this spike, and to where you watched this spike, that was to the level of around $26.2. Not exactly this price but few points down this price. So this price of $26.2, I've given you in my previous video that the stock will take a resistance from the exact same level, and today we watched the same happening. Now what does that mean and why am I explaining this to you? So here if you see, there's a strong resistance of around $26.2, and this candle that has formed today, it has given a confirmation of that also. Whenever the stock comes around this price, the sellers get active and they start pushing the stock down. So now there are two possibilities that can happen. If you understand both of these, so you will able to trade effectively and you will know what levels to expect. So the first one is, if it manages to break $21.5 price, or if you want to take more safe level, then you can take $20.05 also. If the stock closes below this price or this price, then you can expect downside movement in this stock. If it closes down this price, then you can expect the first target of $20.05, and if that also breaks, then we can see more downside movement, and the nearest levels you will get to see will be $18. This will be the first possibility that I have told you. The key levels that need to get break are $21.5. If that also breaks, then you will get to see $20.05, and if this price also breaks, then $18 will be your first target. So keep these levels in mind. Now let's discuss about the second possibility, and that is if it closes above this price of $21.5 in today's trading session. If it closes above this price and in the next trading session we see a green candle forming here, then we can expect the upside target of $26.2. This stock is trading in this range for the past 3-4 days. It needs to give a either breakdown or breakout of this range to get a good momentum. Until then we can play in this range also, or if it breaks either upside or downside, then you will get some targets. So I hope these levels are clear to you. These were the levels for IonQ stock. I hope you find this information valuable, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.